birthday today. How do you feel? How do you feel?
First birthday in
I feel like
England.
16.
Second day in... Oh, Jesus.
How do you feel? Talk to the camera.
Beer vibes. Watch here. Whoosh!
Yes.
I for most like Uncle Beans.
You can read it later.
Okay. Alright, then my baby.
Mommy, come, you're missing the excitement. It is really hot.
Hmm?
You can read Mommy's card now, though.
But you read yours already?
Not yet. I'm reading it later.
Later?
I got a card too.
Well, later when now is the Ian birthday.
I got a card too, you know.
You get a card?
Yeah. Well, you know how Jamaica, you can't find cards for like occasions.
Okay.
But I got
I'm
a
gonna sit
card.
up on the camera.
So you're not reading the cards now on a birthday today?
Tell me something free later.
You can read Mommy's one now.
Oh.
Maybe something in the...
Well, we'll private enough for here.
Airplay, you know?
Oh, A.
Alright. To my lovely Santa said, I send you lots of wishes for the things you like best. Kind of day that brings you lots of lasting happiness. Mom, me carry that writing down the mom.
Which one were you?
Oh God. God bless and keep you on this your birthday and for many more to come. Okay. Happy birthday.
Mommy.
Hey, who killing me?
Mommy, don't mash up the room.
I'm trying to... Where's the other string?
You want to huh?
Where's the other string?
Alright, Mommy, video while I get the scissors.
I watch a video in before people. Show me come here, tell you know.
No, you get that. You have to get the action. You have to be the cameraman.
Come, man. You have to come out further so I can just get right now. And... What? The scissors right at your hand there in my toolkit.
Baby.
Yeah?
Come with the scissors quick now. Me have a bag. Just pick up everything, can. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ready?
Happy birthday, dear Toussy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
What a big box.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Look, when I see my makeup, it's halfway done.
What's the style? And every day I turn 21.
Oh, you follow me and say your age earlier, I am younger. Okay. You're already 16 or 21. This is
I'm going to be telling you what you're
okay, of course. Don't move it. Don't move the dial. Don't move the dial.
I'm really hot.
What first? Wow! Oh, I can see it.
Yeah. Winter is coming. Winter is coming. Look at the box. Look at the size of the box. Well, I'm in the far so I can get in.
Ah, fresh! Fresh.
Look in the box.
I still a pie. What them know about? Streets them know about.
Sleeves for the
Hot
fall
daddy.
coming.
Hot. Gucci belt with the Cavalli jeans too. Oh God. I'm gone.
Eh?
Stadium.
Oh, look. So you have Arsenal on top now. Here you have got Manchester United there. What you again? Arsenal, Tabia Arsenal from ever since. So it's all mixed up in this house, people. Don't ask me why I support two teams because they're local. That's why. Hey, Man U, Man U.
A straight a Man U, guy.
Man U. Yes, of course.
Hot, dirty, hot. Now put everything on there.
Yeah, alright, yeah. This is going to start coming here.
You say birthday today, and a shirt.
Oh,
It's a birthday shirt, what do you think?
Yes.
Catch your style, catch your style.
Wow, wow.
Whoa! Alright. Alright. Ready? You still have a pull? Too much things have a pull.
Oh, you want to leave some for later? For part 2?
Enough for them, too much. Right, let me hand tie for pull.
You want to leave things for later? Part 2. Look, let's see in the box. Can we? Wow, look in the box. Wow, there's plenty there.
That's a very expensive brand, just putting it out there, by the way. North Face.
North Face?
Let's sketch that.
I guess in North Face?
Wow.
Alright.
Wow.
One more.
Of course, yeah, of course, yes. That's his style. That's his old slippers. Look at that. Keep your foot warm in the room.
We say lavish life, watch it. Why you more shoes there? You see that? Adidas, Alpha. Don't know things with the normal. Oh God, more clothes still there.
More clothes still there.
Tabby, can you help me, baby?
Hey!
What you want, scissors?
Yeah.
When it's a birthday, it's a very special time, people. Not everyone live to see another birthday. So when we get to another birthday... No, look at it. I need all the ribbons. Save all the ribbons.
You have to untie the ribbon. Just...
It's alright.
Yeah, I recycle everything I can in this place. Wow, look at the nice ribbon. I'm gonna get... Look.
We're in the call, but we're not call.
Okay. Loads of things to keep you warm, innit?
We're in the call, but we don't call up. Hot see you here.
Look at that.
Straight to work, we're going to this.
That's to keep you warm at work, of course.
I watch it. The black to match.
Matching black
and blue.
Yeah.
Oh God. Actually, we still have more things to be. More. How many this is over there?
You could wear that to that gym.
And we used to fit on fire, watch it.
Gone to gym. People.
Exercise time.
Gone to the gym.
Right there.
Take off the price of the watch.
Watch it. Oh God, they can't talk to you again.
Okay, you're gonna leave.
You're gonna leave. They're queen of the
place. Alright, yeah. Right at Buckingham Palace. Yeah. Say hi.
No cold. No
that
snow.
one, I think. That one thing.
Super dry. I mean,
this is super
that's
dry.
Supply and demand, sorry.
You see this? Catch it.
Yep.
Chinchilla.
Yeah.
I don't know what the chinchilla called.
Yeah, of course. Of course.
And it's the right size.
Just put on more 15
Do this,
pounds.
babe.
Huh?
Do this.
Carry this one, I don't know about too much stuff.
There you go. Yes.
Right, remember, I'm going to 40 pounds of clothes. You see this one, watch it? Catch them. Your very own nipple buckle?
No, sir. It's the one about it. No, sir. Yes.
More Adidas. Oh, gosh. And nipple for the nipple back.
The nipple for the nipple. Oh my God, of course.
Alright. Living a day so I carry the girl hug because she hide.
She gonna get the hug later.
I say it's true rules to really catch it.
Watch here, they catching.
Alright, so you know what we're going to do. I'll pop up back the marks now because we can't, we want to wear everything can't wear.
Yes, and plus they are going out at the moment.
We are going mad up London to alone.
Some muffin. Where? This? This is a bread.
It's good?
I've never had it.
You want something else?
It is donut. But it's sandwiches.
I'll bring it on my microwave. Roll stuff.
I just want to get something to eat.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Okay. Huh?
I'll try a sandwich.
Try a sandwich.
That's how they come.
Can I have?
No.
If you want smaller ones,
But they're quite big as well.
I don't want to share with him.
It's like a restaurant or
Pottery, like clay makers. That's cute.
Look at this frying
Sherlock
pan.
Holmes.
Look at the frying pan.
Oh, that's old, isn't it? That's a bear foot. Oh, this is pretty.
look at all these foods we're gonna have. We're gonna try every single one. Except that one, it looks gross. Down, chocolate. Ooh la la. Ooh la la, look at my little package. Come to me, my little baby.
Is this chicken?
What?
Chicken breast. That's barbecue chicken. And that is spicy chicken, southern fried chicken. Right there, books?